Hello everyone, welcome back to Comfy Science tutorial where complex science makes simple and fun. Today we'll be talking about how disease spread. Now, microorganisms are tiny living things, so small that they need a microscope to see them. Some of these microorganisms like bacteria are helpful or harmless. It aids in the digestion. It is found in the gut, aids in the digestion, and some are harmful. Those ones they causes infections. We have four major group of this microorganism. That the virus, the bacteria, the fungi, and the parasites. Now, what are viruses? Viruses, as we all know, they are tiny organisms that are very tiny and they are very, very infectious. Tiny infectious organism that causes disease. Most of the viruses are helpful. They are harmless, while some causes infections. Now, if we look at example of viral diseases, just like common cold, we have the influenza, that is the flu, HIV/AIDS, and COVID-19. They are examples of virus. Now, how do virus spread? Virus spreads in the following way: through the airborne droplets, for example, sneezing or coughing, and find out by touching contaminated surfaces and touch back the nose, the eyes, and the mouth. And some also it can also cause, you find out that some of them are spread by insect bites like mosquito. Some are being spread through blood and blood flows, just like HIV. Now we look at what bacteria is, because it is also another microorganism. Now, the bacteria, as we all know, they are single cell organisms. You find out that most of these bacteria, they can survive on their own. And some of the problem with bacteria is this. Example of some diseases caused by bacteria are tuberculosis. They cause strep throats. It also causes typhoid fever and at the same time cholera. Now, how bacteria spread? Bacteria spread through contaminated water or food, and such as cholera, we also have direct contacts, just like touching the affected wound of an individual who has been affected by the bacteria, and airborne droplet, like in the case of tuberculosis. You can also spread through poor hygiene, especially when we don't wash our hands properly. So that is the end of today's lesson. If you find our video interesting or helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comments. Subscribe now. Watch out for the part 2 of this video. Thanks.